There's often this inevitable power dynamic that forms between researchers and participants. I guarantee it, many of you have heard a participant say, I hope this was helpful. I feel like I just vented. I hope this actually made sense. Because participants are selected for a study, they often feel the need to perform or provide helpful feedback. As researchers, we also have a lot of important processes in place during a study, which doesn't really help with that dynamic. So, what can you do to address that and put participants at ease? It really comes down to building rapport with participants and embracing real human interactions. After all, user research is more than following through with the methodology. It's also about listening to people and their problems that they're experiencing with our products. If we want our participants to be vulnerable with us, we need to create a space for them to comfortably do so. It sounds simple, but start with a smile. Ask them about their day. If you're remote testing, ask them about a cool piece of art they have in their background. Let's take a look at how this might sound. Hi, thank you so much for joining today. I'm a UX specialist. How's your day been? Now let's look into an example where we go straight into the study. Hi, my name is Samita Tankala, and I'm a UX specialist here at Nielsen Norman Group. Before we dive in, just wanted to give you an overview. As I mentioned over email, we're doing a study on our new mobile interface. Do you see the difference? While the second approach is polite, it is lacking that human element. The first approach addresses key human elements that help a participant feel seen and, as a result, feel comfortable around you. You want to avoid jumping straight into talking about the study. By adding this human touch, you may even learn more about their life that will give you deeper context. Next, you want to build a culture of feedback. Make sure your participants know that they can't be wrong. And the way to do this is by explicitly telling them there's no right or wrong answers or things to say. We're here to learn from you. This empowers your participants to share freely. Embrace silence. A big way we communicate as humans is through our actions. It's very easy to try to fill the silence. Give them time to think and respond. Usually, the silence feels more awkward to you than it does for the participant. And lastly, use your script as a guide and not something to strictly follow. You want to maintain conversational elements. Perhaps your user said something you didn't expect. Ask them, could you tell me a little bit more? Could you give me an example? Some of the best insights are found this way as well. At the end of the day, participants are more than just participants. Like, we are more than researchers. Avoid losing sight of that and embrace those human elements.